Okay, I want to do a quick video to show you how I fixed my drawer slides. I had the problem that many people do. My drawer would not stay attached when you slid it in and out, like it was jumping off the track. So I checked this, and I found that a couple of these, like 4 or 5 of these, were actually bent upward. Maybe we forced it closed or something of that nature. But anyways, I'm going to bend them back down and I'll let you know if that fixes it. But I already bent a couple of them down. You can see the other ones. See if I can get a good picture of it there, so you can see the angle on it. But a couple of the metal nubs right there is a good example. Were bent pretty far out, not in line like the other ones. There you go. I think you can see. Anyways, I'm going to try and fix that and tell you guys if it fixes it. I'll be right back. Okay, this may be a possible fix for you guys, so I'll show you what appears to have fixed ours. What happened was there was a screw here and a screw here. This is the front of the drawer, obviously. There was a screw here and a screw here, and it was allowing this back track to not line up perfectly. And if you check the height on this one and then you check the height on this one, they did not line up. So it would not go in. It would stop about a third of the way back. Well, 2/3 of the way closed. So what I had to do was I drilled a pilot hole here using a drill and, of course, a proper sized tiny bit. And then I moved the screw back here from up here. And I'd be a little happier if it was just a touch down lower. But after doing that, then I further refined the ball bearings and how they were running. And you can see here, some of these ball bearings were sticking up slightly from where they had gotten bent. I suspect all of this was caused by, these were new cabinets when we moved in the house. And I don't think they were originally, the slides were installed correctly, because this one was like significantly down, like way down. So the drawer never worked right from the beginning when we moved in. And I think just over time, moving in and out, and plus having a substantial amount of weight in the drawer, combination of the things caused some warpage, and then us trying to push it in, and that's probably what caused the ball bearings to be the runner, or I guess they call it a race, the ball bearing, the thing that holds the ball bearings in place. I think it's called a race. I think that's why the race got bent. Anyway, so I completely fixed the race and got it flattened. And so now when it goes in, it slides in and out. It's not 100% perfect, but it slides in and out with almost zero force. I think it's okay. So anyways, I hope this helps somebody else out. And okay, to show you guys that it worked, I've reinstalled it, and you can see it's in there now. And I'll just go ahead and you can see it's working pretty good. It's got just a little bit of tension when you get towards the end here, but I think it's okay. Working good. So anyways, that's how I fixed mine. So it was a little different than all the other ones I saw on YouTube. So I thought I would share it with you guys and gals, so that you can fix yours without having to buy any parts or anything. Okay. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.